Hello, I'm Anton. This is day 24 of the Daily Crypto Installment Program. This is a video recording from February 3rd, 2025 of my daily crypto installments. Today, I'm still paying off 3 cryptos, Bitcoin 20,000, Ethereum 20,000, XRP 10,000. I consider the 50,000 lost. If it goes to zero, it's no big deal, but if its value increases, thank you. So, it's completely stress-free, just as easy on the mind as if I were to buy cigarettes for 30,000 or iced tea for 20,000. Today I'll discuss, what is XRP suitable for? XRP is ideal for cross-border money transfers, especially large amounts. It's incredibly fast, and the fees are incredibly low. That's why XRP is perfect for companies that frequently transfer money between countries. Indonesian migrant workers sending money to their families. People who frequently conduct global transactions. I personally haven't sent money internationally, but I'm investing in XRP in installments because the technology is being used for real things. Investing for me isn't about quick profits, but understanding its function and believing in its future. So, what does the future hold for this crypto installment program? If you're curious about how it ends, just subscribe to the channel. See you in tomorrow's video.